In this new lecture series, we will discuss about the traditional innovators and those inventions and inventors in the field of physical science and in particularly in the field of physics and laws relating to physical science and chemistry. So in those pioneers in those fields such as the inventor Archimedes invented the Archimedean law, and Berkeley invented radioactivity of uranium. Then Niels Bohr invented the electron theory and atomic structure, while Cavendish invented and discovered hydrogen and the very composition of water, while Madame Curie invented radium. Then Dalton invented atomic theory. Einstein invented the theory of relativity, and Euclid invented the science of geometry. Then Fahrenheit invented the mercury thermometric scale. Then Faraday invented the laws of electrolysis and Hertz electrical wires, and Kelvin invented the theory of heat, and Louis Verley invented reading and writing for blinds, and Marconi invented wireless telegraphy and radio, while Mendel invented the laws of heredity, and Newton the laws of gravitation and motion. Then Alfred Nobel invented dynamite, and Otto Hahn invented the uranium fission. Then Priestley discovered oxygen, and Röntgen invented X-rays. Then Rutherford invented splitting of the atom. Then Thomson invented electron. And now we'll discuss about the medical pioneers and those medical pioneers as such. Banting invented insulin. Alexander Fleming invented penicillin, and Harvey invented circulation of blood. Hahnemann invented homeopathy, and Jenner invented smallpox vaccination, and Robert Koch invented tuberculosis, bacillus or tuberculosis. Then Lord Lister invented antiseptic surgery. Then Louis Pasteur invented rabies. Ronald Ross invented malaria parasite. Then Jonas Salk invented anti-polio vaccine. And now we'll go to some other pioneers. Those are called as medical pioneers. So in the field of mechanical pioneers. We found the invention of motor car. Why Austin? Then television. Why jailbird? Then telephone invented by Graham Bell. And helicopter. Why Brockute? Then printing press invented by Gutenberg. Revolver by Colt. Then gas engine and automobile by Daimler. Minor safety lamp invented by Davy. Internal combustion invented by Diesel. Then electric bulb and gramophone invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Then Benjamin Franklin invented the lighting conductor and telescope invented by Lippershey. Then James Buckle invented machine gun. James Watt invented steam engine. Macmillan invented bicycle. R.A. Watson Watt invented radar, and Schultz invented typewriter. Then Stephenson invented railway engine, and Swinton invented military tank, and Torricelli invented barometer, and the Wright brothers invented aeroplane, and Waterman invented fountain pen. And in that context, we will discuss some Indian pioneers such as Homi Jahangir Bhabha invented the quantum theory, and J.C. Bose or Jagdish Chandra Bose, an Indian pioneer, invented cryptograph. Then S.N. Bose, an Indian pioneer, invented nuclear particles which are famously known as boson. Then C.V. Raman, the eminent Indian pioneer and Nobel laureate in physics, invented the Raman effect. Then Ramanathan, another Indian pioneer and genius, invented molecular scattering of light in fluids. Then Ramanujan, another great pioneer of India, invented new methods and a great mathematician. Then Hargobind Khurana, another Indian Nobel laureate, who invented genetic code. So these are the Indian pioneers who invented many new theories and instruments, and famously now we'll cover some other development in the field of traditional science such as the invention and the inventors and those belonging to those specific country and the very year of invention. So in that case, the first such invention we have seen is aeroplane by the Wright brothers who belong to United States of America. In the year 1903, they invented aeroplane, then alcohol thermometer, and it was invented by Fahrenheit, who was Germany in the year 1709, then atom bomb by Rutherford, who belonged to England in the very year of 1939, then bicycle by Macmillan, who belongs to Scotland, and it was in the year 1842. Then diesel engine was invented by Rudolf Diesel, who was Germany, and in the year 1897, then dynamite invented by Alfred Nobel, a Swedish national, and the year 1862, then dynamo by Michael Faraday, who belonged to England in the year 1831, then railway engine by Stephenson, who belonged to England in the year 1814, then fountain pen by Waterman, who belonged to United States of America in the year 1884. Then gramophone was invented by Thomas Alva Edison, who was an American in the year 1877. Then Inventions Ball by Edison, also an American in the year 1860. Then laws of gravitation by Isaac Newton, who was an Englishman, and in the year 1867, then lightning conductor invented by Benjamin Franklin of United States of America in the year 1759. Then microscope was invented by J. Janssen, who belonged to Netherlands in the year 1590. Then microfilms were invented by Dr. Frederick, who was in Germany. Then motor car manufacturing was started by Henry Ford of United States of America. Then power loom was invented by Cartwright of England in 1785. Then printing for the blind by Louis Ballet of France in 1829. Then printing press was invented by Gutenberg of Germany in 1450. Then photography by L. Daguerre of France in 1837. Then photography film by Eastman of United States of America in 1888. Then photography color was invented by Lippmann of United States of America in 1857. Then pneumatic tires invented by Dunlop of Ireland in 1488. Then swing machine was invented by Elias Howe of United States of America in 1846. Then steam engine was invented by James Watt of Scotland in 1764. Then transistor was invented by W. Shockley of England in 1958. Then typewriter was invented by Souls of United States of America in 1868. Then telescope by Galileo, an Italian, in the year 1609. Then uranium was invented by Becquerel of France in 1896. Then vaccination was invented by Jenner of England in 1796. So these are the inventions, and those inventors and the country to which they belong, then the very year of invention. So in this context that we have discussed regarding general science and those traditional inventions, inventors, including the outstanding scientific developments made in those traditional period. And in that context also we have discussed about the medical pioneers, the pioneers in the field of physics and chemistry, and the mechanical pioneers and the Indian pioneers, and in particularly we have discussed all these inventions and inventors. We have grouped them all as a part of traditional development in the field of scientific inventions, and those developments made by those scientists and their outstanding inventions and discoveries. And in our next upcoming lecture, we will discuss entirely all those inventions and inventors made in the field of science and technology completely, that we have grouped as those modern inventions and those inventors. And in that phase we would also discuss about the Nobel laureates and their contribution in the field of science and technology.